Now, if there's one leader of the Congress party who continues to give controversial and embarrassing remarks one after another that puts the Congress party in the dock, and then they have to distance themselves, they have to apologize on it, is Sam Pitroda. And he's no novice leader. He's an experienced veteran leader. He's the chairperson of the Indian Congress, Overseas Congress, of which he has now resigned. This was after the latest comment that had come from Sam Pitroda, and the BJP went all guns blazing. Condemning Sam Pitroda's remarks, Smriti Irani has said, this is not just Pitroda, it's unveiling Gandhi family's disgusting face, and yet Gandhis haven't broken ties with him. Basically, to tell you what happened, in the past few hours, Rahul Gandhi's former advisor and a senior leader of the party who handles the overseas affairs had said that people in the northeast part of India look like Chinese, people in the west look somewhat like Arab, people in the northern part of India look like European white, and people in the south of India look like Africans. He was making a mention to show how there is unity in diversity in India.
Sir, how do you see, first my question to you, about the statements those were made by Sam Pitroda?
These statements, as I was mentioning earlier, are in fact very condemnable. It is a statement which has hurt the sentiments of the people of the Northeast as well as other regions which he had mentioned in his statement. Especially when you hear a person of that level, a person who has worked with former Prime Minister, made policies for the country, experienced so many positions in the global level, say and make statements like these, it really, makes you even more concerned and hurts even more. So we are very upset, and of course we condemn this statement.
सैम पिट्रोडा ने गांधी परिवार के घिनौने चेहरे पर पर्दाफाश किया है। पहले कांग्रेस पार्टी धर्म और जाति के आधार पर देश को बांटती थी। आज आप किस भारत के भूभाग से हैं, उसके आधार पर अपमानित करने की कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो मंशा है उसको उजागर किया है।
सैम पिट्रोदा जी को हम बहुत आदर सम्मान देते हैं, मगर देश के इलेक्शंस वहां बैठ के यहाँ बात करने का आई डोंट थिंक वो अधिकार है उनको। और अफसोस की बात है, क्योंकि वो शायद कोई ऐसे जानबूझ के किसी को हर्ट करने के लिए नहीं बोले हैं। वो कुछ टेक्निकल इस चीज से बात करे हैं, शायद मुझे भी पता नहीं वो ठीक क्या बोले हैं। इट इज रिग्रेटफुल। यहाँ इलेक्शन में उनका कोई रोल नहीं है। हम साउथ इंडियंस इतने फूल्स नहीं हैं, हम इंटेलेक्चुअल और पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं। हम जानते हैं कि कौन क्या ड्रामा कर रहे हैं और सैम पित्रोदा जी के बात को कितना अहमियत देना है।